Welcome to this new episode, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to close apps on iPhone 12 Pro Max. So I have the iPhone 12 Pro Max, and here in this video I'm going to show you how you can easily close applications on your iPhone. Literally, it's not advisable to close your app on your iPhone. So each time you close application on your iPhone and you try to open it, this will drain your battery a bit. So technically, it is not advisable to always close apps on your iPhone. However, there are reasons why you want to close your application on your iPhone 12 Pro Max. This is all you just need to do. So if you want to close an application on your iPhone, this is all you need to do. Just start down from the bottom just like this to review all your recent applications. So you see that? So these are all my recent applications on the iPhone. Swipe up like this to show all recent applications. Now locate the application you want to close on your iPhone 12 Pro Max. Now let's say just swipe up. If you press and hold this, nothing's going to happen. If we try to swipe down, nothing's going to happen. You see this? But just swipe up the application, and once you swipe up the application, the selected application will be closed on your iPhone. So this is how to close apps on iPhone 12 Pro Max. If this is helpful and you want more of this educative video, you want to hit the button, do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quality videos just like this.